Hi guys, my name is Zenobia and welcome to my channel. So it is time for me to do my Allure unboxing for the month of January. This is going to be my third monthly box from them, so we'll see if I'm going to continue it or not. But first, let's get into what I thought about the last two boxes. I got November and December, both in December, so I'm going to go over them both now. So first off, the deep cleansing oil I got in the November box. I have used this a couple times. It doesn't even look like it's been used because it takes such a little amount. And this stuff is amazing. It is going to definitely replace my Derma Blend one. Not Derma Blend. My, it's definitely going to replace my Dermalogica one because it gets everything like squeaky clean. Like it pulls so much stuff out. It's awesome, especially for when I'm like really doing some glam makeup. So I love this oil. Next I have this crease brush, which was really large. As I said, not been using it as a crease brush, but as a highlight brush. That's what I used to do my highlight, and it works well for that for me. It's just way too big for my eyelids to use as a crease brush. If you have bigger eyes, then you know, maybe it'll work with you, but this one's just way too big for me. Or, I mean, if you would really go for like a really super blurred out crease, this would probably work. Next I have the Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate. I showed you guys that I thought this one might be dried out. I still think it is. I could not use it. I used it twice, and I tried, but it was so thick and like almost like a candle wax. I just wasn't comfortable because I had to really like tug to like rub it under my eyes, even trying to warm it up in my fingers. It just wasn't working. So that is a no-go for me. And it also stung, like it made my eyes burn and water, so didn't like that guy. Then we had the Sumptuous Infinite Mascara by Estee Lauder, and I love this mascara. It's like a comb-like wand, which I really like those type of wands to really separate my lashes, so I am in love with this mascara. Really enjoyed that. The little eyeshadow I got, this is just a no for me. Like, it was very sheer, not very much pigment, and it kicks back color everywhere, so I'm gonna try to pass that on to somebody that, oh, if I don't throw it across the room, try to pass that on to somebody that might get use out of it, because it's just, it doesn't show up on me. Now for the December box was the Jaclyn Hill collaboration box. There's a couple of items I don't, oh, I actually forgot for the November box. I also got that Wonder Beauty lipstick, which we already know I love. Not wearing it today because I felt like wearing blue lips, so yeah, don't judge me. But love that lipstick, so that was a good one. Okay, so then December was the Jaclyn Hill collab box, and so we have the Becca Champagne Pop Highlight. That's the highlight I'm wearing today. Enjoying that. A couple items I don't have here. I have the Purity Cleansing Wash. I do enjoy that. I already stated in the video before that I liked that one, so I enjoyed that one. And I'm sorry if you keep hearing buzzing. My phone is going nuts, and I don't know why it keeps buzzing. I don't know what it's trying to tell me, so sorry about that. Anyway, and then there was the Orly Wave Texture Cream. Hated that. It only had enough for me to use once, but it dried out my hair so bad. My hair just felt like like straw. I hated that stuff, and I have naturally curly hair, so it was just a no for me. I don't know. I hated that. Just leave it out there. Okay, then we had the Morphe M433 brush, and it's like, can't do my eyeshadow without this, and I can see why. This brush has changed my life. The narrowness of it allows me to really get into my crease and not have it skit everywhere, because I don't have that much lid space. The lids on my eyes are getting worse and worse, and so it really has changed. Like, I use it every day, and I need to get it back up because this brush has changed the game for me. Then we have the Hourglass Mineral Primer. I haven't gotten around to using this, so I can't tell you how it feels. I'm trying to pan 3 different primers this year, and so I've been really focusing on those, and I hadn't gotten around to using it, so sorry guys, can't tell you about that one. But the Dior mascara I did try, and I like the formula, but I don't like the brush, and the brush on this mini size is so big, like it doesn't even screw in. I always try to screw it in, but it just like pops in and out, and it's like huge. It's just, you probably just hit my dresser there, but it's just huge and it hardly fits in the container. So I don't like this trial size very much, and the brush is just too big and fluffy for me, and I get it everywhere. So I prefer like the comb like brushes. I don't like big fluffy brushes, but if you like big fluffy brushes, go for it. Okay, now we can get into this month's box. Okay, so let's get the lid off here. I took the plastic off ahead of time. And this one, once again, looks like it has a little sheet that tells you about what's inside. I don't know why the November one didn't have that. Maybe it's because I ordered so late and it was kind of like a shove whatever you got left in there box. I don't know. But I do appreciate that they have these, because then I can tell you the prices as we go. To this, and this month's box says, talk to me after my double shot of dry shampoo. So that's cute. All right, so let's see what we got here. That is this month's box. And I see something from Makeup Forever, so let's start with that. Oh good, I thought at first it was this mascara that I got in Ipsy a long time ago, and I was like, oh no, because unfortunately I love the mascara, but then I was allergic to it. Like 5 minutes after putting it on, I was like, ah, my eyes were like on fire, and it was awful. So let's see if I can find it in here. There we go. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick in Rosewood. Retails for $20. So this is the color, and it looks like, let me see if I can swatch it. It looks like it's going to be a nice little nude color. We'll see about on my skin tone. Oh, it's much darker on the hand than it is in the tube. So I like that color. That is going to be, it's almost a little bit darker than the Wonder Beauty lipstick I got. So I like that color. That'll be a good nude for me. And then next, since this is on the same page, this is the Rodial Smoky Eye Pen, and it retails for $21. So a pencil, that's sharpener. So sharpener, kohl eye pencil, and let's see, it's in the color brown. I don't usually use brown eyeliner, so I am going to, unfortunately, I'm not going to try this out. I'm just going to pass this on to somebody that will use it, because I know I don't use brown eyeliner. I like either black or something in color. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody that will use it. So we won't be trying that one out, unfortunately. I'll see if they try it out. I'll ask them how it was. Okay, so let's see. Next we have the One by Frederick Fekkai. One and Then Some. What is it? The packaging makes, oh, it's a dry texturizing spray. I'm just throwing stuff everywhere. Okay, so this is a texturizing spray. It says delivers soft volume, and it smells so good that a perfect stranger in New York tapped me on the shoulder to see what it was. Oh, it does smell really good. It smells kind of like apples, like fresh apples. So it says sprayed at the roots and give a natural looking lift. I'm not going to use it now because it's evening and I don't want to waste it. It retails for $29. And then we have the Rapid Flash Brightening Serum by CEO. Oh, by Cindy Riley. I've been hearing so much about this brand and I haven't tried anything, so that's exciting. It is a vitamin C serum. So let's see. How much vitamin C do you have? It's got 15%. 15% vitamin C. So, you know, I was just thinking, I'm kind of like not necessarily a no-buy, I like a low-buy for the year, and I'm just trying to get to like my subscription boxes, the BoxyCharm and Allure one, and I already canceled Ipsy, so just BoxyCharm and Allure. I'm trying to just stick to those and like not actually buy anything outside, and so I was afraid that I'm almost out of my Kakadu C serum, which I use every day, and I was like, oh man, but I'm gonna have to buy that, and it's like $100. So this is good. I will try this out instead of repurchasing the Kakadu, and maybe I can make it even longer in this new buy, or low buy. I guess I can't really call it a no buy since I still have subscription box. Do you count that? Like when you're doing a no buy, do you count that if you have a subscription box? Let me know down in the comments down below. So that's good. And this looks like it is a full size. It retails for $85. Oh my gosh. So it doesn't say how big a full size is. But this is got, where is it? I saw it. This has got 1 fluid ounce. So I think my Kakadu is like 1.7 fluid ounces. So this looks like it's a full size. And since it's 15%, I recently found out that if it's more than 15%, you shouldn't wear it in the morning. Like, you should put it on at night so you're not on the sun with it. And I've been putting the Kakadu, which is 20%, on my face every day in the morning for like almost 2 years. And so this will be because I can wear it in the morning and get back to my routine, but it's been hard to like change that to the night. Anyway, I'm rambling, I'm sorry. I got one more thing in here. This is the In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in one by This Works. Retails for $55. I have tried this. I got this in an Ipsy, and I do like it. It like soaks into the skin really well. So I do enjoy this stuff. I know, but I will definitely, you know, give you a follow-up if my mind has changed. But I remember enjoying this when I got it in Ipsy, and it was only about half the size when I got it in Ipsy. So this box is making me really excited. I am loving it, and you know, from the last 2 boxes, they were definitely worth $15. So as of right now, I think I'm going to definitely keep the Allure box. I'm glad I canceled Ipsy. You know, my big thing with Ipsy is that I kept getting like the same things over and over again, like a black eyeliner every month. And I know, like, and the thing with the subscriptions is it might be worth it monetarily, but if it's not worth it to you, if you're giving most of it away or not using most of it, then it's not worth it. And you know, Ipsy, I know you get the makeup bag, and the makeup bag itself is basically worth $10, but you know, I have so many makeup bags. I have like over 20 makeup bags that are not in use that I've gotten from Ipsy because I don't have that many needs for makeup bags, and I just use them to give away. And like, that's 20 left after I've already given like some away. I give some away for Christmas every year, put it in little bags or gift bags, use them as gift bags. So for this one, so far I've gotten way more use out of most of the products. You know, I had like a miss. I think I had like, this one was a miss for the November, and the hair serum or the hair wave thing was a miss for December, but everything else out of those boxes I've gotten use out of, which is awesome. And with this one, you know, I don't see that this is, again, one thing that I'm not going to get a use out of, and I'm okay passing one thing on, versus when I was with Ipsy, I might use one thing and the rest got passed on. And there were several bags that the stuff is still in the bag and just sitting there for when I find somebody to give it to, because I'm not going to use it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have decided to join Allure, and if you have, what you've gotten in your boxes. And I will see you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget you can subscribe up here, and there's videos in the bottom of the box. I'm going to be starting a new series on my channel soon, so stay tuned for that. It will be on Sundays, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.